Hey, I'm Melanie Mills, Toasted Blonde. Today we're going to check out water-based foundations because I want something light and easy to use and simple for this summer. So stay tuned. Hey, welcome! It's Foundation Friday! So today we're going to try out water-based foundations. Hey, summertime is coming up and I want something light, easy to use. I want to use my moisturizer, I want to use my sunscreen, and I just want to put it on my hands or brush. I don't want to work for this foundation. I just want it to work with me, with what I want to do. So today we're trying out Estee Lauder, the water-based foundation, and we're trying out the Double Wear water-based, and we're trying out Makeup Forever's, their water-based. That used to be my HG foundation. They changed the formula, and then I just didn't like it, and now I'm trying it again. Okay, so I got two samples. I got, I think it's $3.25 for the Makeup Forever and Pebble for the Estee Lauder, and we'll try it out and we'll get back and see what we think. I know this lighting is terrible, but this is with the Estee Lauder on this side and nothing on this side, and honestly I'm actually not seeing like that it did anything. I mean, it did very little. It does something though, see? The side of my face, it really does do something. And I have something happened today right here. I don't know what. Right, and I'll try the Makeup Forever on the other side. This is, believe it or not, about a 4-hour check-in, and you can see I am really oily. And that's about it. 4-hour check-in, oily. Kind of something. It's like my concealer fell apart on me too, so that's, ignore that part. But the foundation hasn't caked up much in the smiles or in the front. I'm trying to think. You know, it didn't really have great coverage to begin with, so it looks pretty much the same except really shiny. So this is day 2 of testing out the makeup. Estee Lauder on this side, Makeup Forever on this side. No primer, just moisturizer and sunscreen. I got really greasy yesterday, so I kind of baked in my under eyes a little bit more. Makeup Forever and Estee Lauder on this side, and 3 hours. I'm doing pretty damn well. I'm like, wow, not bad today. I did make sure I put a lot more powder underneath, and I am super itchy, so I'm gonna switch powders tomorrow. But I mean, look, obviously you can see every flaw I have, but that's what I was going for. This is a water-based formula. It kind of smooths out skin, but it's not going to get rid of the rosacea. That's what you have other concealers and other correctors for. That's my 3-hour check-in. I'll be back later. All right, hey, I look like hell. But today we're gonna try day 3 of the water-based foundations. I actually tried to do it yesterday and I don't think I took any video, and I definitely forgot like the 8-hour footage. So I had too much to drink and I forgot to film, sorry. And I think this foundation really does apply better with a brush, if I'm not mistaken. The old water-based formulas really did apply better. Alright, so that's what we're thinking of. I'm gonna go outside and snap some. I'm gonna take you outside. Let's go. About 6 hours of wear. Okay, you saw that outdoor footage, right? Like, for me, the review is over. That's it. I'm not, my skin looks terrible outside. I cannot use it. But for you, for the sake of the review, I'm gonna continue. I'm gonna tell you that both foundations were really fine for my skin. They didn't irritate my rosacea. I didn't break out. They had decent coverage. I mean, you can expect from a water blend. It's very sheer. It looks nice inside. It looks natural. It looks just like skin. It doesn't cake in my frown line or around my nose too much. it's a really they're both really nice foundations. They last, I mean, probably 8 hours, but I can't tell because it's just so sheer that it's kind of gone. I like it. I thought I really liked these, both of them. I was gonna go with the Estee Lauder. For some reason, I just was heading that way. I felt like it was a little white cast or something with the Makeup Forever one. But when I saw, editing me just saw the outdoor footage, and I was like, no, 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 not for this summer, because I'm gonna be outside in this. So maybe if your skin's better, it won't bother you. Blah, blah, blah. But holy fuck. Sorry. That was terrible. All right. Thanks for watching Melanie Mills Toasted Blondes. Trying foundation. We're definitely having another foundation Friday. I think I'm going to find something with a little more medium coverage for this summer. I lost my voice. I think it's from like screaming, but I saw this footage today. I was like, ah! All right. Thanks for watching Melanie Mills Toasted Blonde. Like, subscribe, comment. Please help me out. I like making videos, but if no one watches, it's not really that much fun. Thanks. Bye-bye.